Hello, welcome to the Auburn Sea geocache. This is geocache GC3QGYZ, and it is going to be located in New Hampshire around the Lake Massapequa area. This is a mock-up of the cache page. It has not yet been submitted for review, but it will be hopefully pretty soon. And I think in the final product that this scroll is going to be deleted. It makes it a little too hard to read the poem of the Auburn Sea here. So this is the poem. And this is our first defined prize, 10 US gold dollars, or golden dollars. They're not real gold, but they're worth 10 bucks. So you have to find a map, and it's graphic, and solve a mystery surrounding it. And there's all kinds of like little sea creatures and piratey things and mappy kind of things, and you have to put all this stuff together. You have to find a puzzle box, and in this story, Lake Massapequa is actually an island, and everything that is normally land is water. So you're sort of a sailor, and as you're walking along in this story, you're sort of like a sailor sailing along around the island of Massapequa. This is a puzzle box, and you can see there's a drawer. You have to open it up using a set of keys. Now these keys are specially designed to work. They have magnets built in. This is the first one, it just simply attaches on. The second one is a little coffin with Captain Kidd's body inside of it. In real life, he was never given a proper burial. He was gibbeted for a couple of years. But in this story, some members of his loyal crew grabbed what was left of his body, and his final wish was to be buried on the top of Mount Massapequa. And as you can hear, when he's placed in the proper location, it unlatches a pin, and you should be able to open up and see his treasure buried inside. This is a scroll to log in on. It has not been signed yet. We're waiting to see who makes first to find honors. And that's it. So I hope you guys have fun trying to solve this, and we'll see who's going to be first to find.